Hello, I'm Jerry Fort, the beer review guy. Got a beer to try here from Neff Brewing. It's here in Tulsa. Peggy, that works at Midtown, Collins Midtown Liquor, said that this stuff's expensive. That it's like $12 for a 4-pack, but it's not selling. And she gave me a free one to check it out and kind of give her an idea of what it's like, and if there's anything that that is off-putting in the way that people wouldn't want to buy any of it. So I'm going to check it out for her. The beer is called Ignition Switch. It's a Belgian style ale. It's naturally gluten-free, brewed for everyone. It says Ignition Switch Belgian style pale ale. It says it has toasty breaded malt backbone with a clove spice character and just enough hops to flip the switch on your taste buds. Ingredients: it has millet, buckwheat, rice, quinoa, beet sugar, hops, yeast, and water. This beer is naturally gluten-free, vegan, and contains no major allergens. It's a 5.3% ABV. Says that this artwork is by Adolf Rodriguez. Okay. So I see a few things in the ingredients that could be part of the problem. Like the millet and buckwheat. I don't ever hear of that being part of a beer ingredient, so I don't know. The quinoa, I don't ever hear of that being part of a beer ingredient. Beet sugar, but I'm not knowledgeable on that kind of stuff, but it doesn't sound familiar to me to be in a beer, so it might be part of the problem. I don't know, but let's see what I think of it. See some floaters in there. Oh wow, that clouded it up. Okay. Got about a finger of head. It's kind of a khaki color. Got a cloudy, deep gold appearance. Has a Belgian ale kind of look to it. It has a Belgian aroma. Has a kind of a sweet aroma. You get that buckwheat in there just a little bit. I used to make, when I worked at Village Inn Pancake House back in the 80s, I made buckwheat pancakes. The batter too. So it kind of has that kind of an aroma a little bit. A little sweet. bready. Smells good. Okay, let's see what we got. Medium body, light carbonation. A little metallic kind of a taste. Mouthfeel, maybe I should say. There's a little bit of bitterness on the aftertaste. You get a Belgian ale, kind of a characteristic in it, but there's something missing in there, and it could be what they removed to make it gluten-free. Yeah, the Belgian style is more flavorful than what we're getting here. Still has a sweetness, but it kind of dulls off. I don't get the alcohol, 5.3, so it does have enough flavor in it to mask off that. Let's see, toasty. No, I'm not getting a toastiness. I do get a clove kind of spice. The maltiness is not real big in there. It's pretty light for me. Hops, I'm not getting like a whole lot of hoppiness either. Excuse me. Brewed for everyone. I think somebody that is like vegan or maybe is looking for a beer that doesn't have some ingredients in it that, you know, that most beers have, and need a gluten-free vegan type beer, this probably would be what they would want. And it's good enough for somebody that has to have something like this. Probably, you know, beer fans would be not really into this, but I don't know how long this has been out. If it's been out long enough for people to get to try it enough to see that they don't like it. You know what I mean? So there is just a little bit of a sourness in there. It could be the beet, could be that beet juice in there maybe. Or beet sugar. Yeah, I don't know, Peggy. I find it to be okay. It's not something that I would want to buy. It's not. It's definitely, in my opinion, not good enough to be 12 bucks for a 4-pack. But like I said, if it's somebody that wants to buy it for the reasons that is on this can, then for them it would be worth it. But I think beer fans are going to be probably wanting to steer away from this. But it's not bad. I mean, it's good enough. I'm drinking it. If I really didn't like it, I wouldn't be drinking it. But bugs. Yeah, it just feels like it's missing some things, and it tastes like it has things added to it that's not usually there. Some of these ingredients on here, like I said, they just don't sound right. They don't sound like something normally in beer. But there you go. Neff Brewing in here in Tulsa. Ignition Switch Belgian style ale, 5.4% ABV. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. If you have any information that I read on here, some of these ingredients, let me know, because like I said, I'm not knowledgeable on that kind of stuff about the ingredients in beer, but I have a lot of intelligent subscribers that knows this stuff, so maybe we can get some answers through some comments. Okay, well, thanks, Peggy, for giving me this to try. I appreciate that. It was interesting going in kind of like with the mindset of breaking it down really well and trying to figure out a mystery, you know. All right, thanks again, and thanks again for watching, and we will see you all on the next one. Bye.